The pain is in my right great toe, and it's from osteoarthritis, and it just progressed over the years. When I first started experiencing it, I was still able to maintain most of my activities. Walking, gardening, dancing, regular housework. Not that I liked it, but it had to be done. I'm a nurse by profession. As a nurse, on my feet, 12 hours a day. We stopped going to some social events because of the pain. Well, the pain started probably about 20 years ago when it was mild and it was intermittent, but over the years it got worse and it was excruciating pain. I ate Tylenol and ibuprofen like it was candy. So I start walking on the side of my foot, the outside edge of my foot. By walking on the outside edge of my foot, I just threw off everything. Then my ankles started have pain in my ankle. Then it went to my knee, and then it went up to my hip. When it got to my hip, I said, okay. Dr. Glazebrook was referred to me by my family doctor. He said that with the implant, you would have your joint back, you'd be able to have movement in your foot. It was a very short recovery. I would go walking around our neighborhood. I started with small walks, but they got bigger, and then I started taking our dog for walks in the wooded trails. I was able to go up and down hills. We went to Portugal for a trip, and I walked up and down those cliffs with this new implant. It's not painful anymore at all. I can do whatever I want. I felt joyful and thankful, and I thought, wow, this is great. Like, I'm back to being who I was prior to this excruciating pain, doing all the things that I wanted to do. I would recommend this procedure to anyone and everybody. For me, it changed my life, and so I would like to tell other people. I'm really totally blessed and thankful.